Welcome to this meticulously renovated farmhouse-style home situated on over 3 acres of tranquility in Montevallo, Alabama. The buyer of this home will inherit the essence of country living where sophistication and nature merge together. I'm Mary Jo West with the West Team and Keller Williams, Birmingham, Alabama.
And I'm Seymour West with Keller Williams and the West Team, and we're glad you're joining us today. We're here in the central Alabama hamlet of Montevallo. We're on a 3.42 acre property that is just lovely, so we want you to take a look at it.
Prepare to fall in love.
Don't miss the before and after shots throughout this video to show off the seller's vision and hard work since they bought this older rancher in 2015.
Come on in, let's take a look at this great house. What a cool house. Every part of this home has been redesigned or remodeled with great care, and this living room is a perfect example. Plank floors, board ceilings, neutral colors, leading into this modified open concept for a flex area, now a bar, but fine for a breakfast room or keeping room with the kitchen. And a large room with a fireplace off to the left, large enough for gatherings, but cozy enough for a family.
Down the hallway are 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, all redone. The master is large with a deep closet and a nice view of the backyard pool and cabana. The improved bath has a deep jacuzzi tub shower combo and modern vanities. Oh my, what a great bath redo. The other 2 main level bedrooms are nice sized with double door closets, and both have windows looking out onto the serene front yard.
This repurposed sunroom was a screen porch. Lots of light, lots of openness with low E windows. Plank floors, the back of the chimney for television, and a mini split for zone comfort. It leads out onto a U-shaped deck designed for entertaining with a spectacular view of the saltwater pool and lush, low-maintenance landscaping and hardscape.
Yes, this house redo is amazing, but the charm also extends to the entire property of almost 3.5 acres. The sellers added this grilling cabana and the saltwater pool, both just a few steps from the house. And they built a large pole barn, a great open-ended structure used for supplies, equipment, or sometimes a sailboat. We'll take a quick walk through down this basement redo. On the right, when you walk in, is a playroom. Hardwood floors or laminate plank, a nice closet, laundry room that's been totally redone is nice and bright, a bedroom and a full bath, And another nice closet and storage closet. And the basement bedroom leads out onto a deck. It has a hot tub leading out to the backyard, another small seated area, and a wonderful hammock. There is so much to love about this property. It is thoughtfully designed and meticulously executed to foster relationships and to encourage time together with friends and family. Hopefully, the buyers for this property will live here long enough to savor life's milestones, the memories, the bonds, the secrets that the soul of this house will hold. So at the end of their stay, they can say, "We loved this house, and this house loved us right back." I'm Mary Jo West with the West Team, and we have a passion for matching the right person with the right house. We would be honored to help you find your next place to call home. This one certainly seems to have it all. And now, before I leave, I may need some help finding my other half of the West Team. I have an idea where he is.
What are you doing? That's a wrap.